Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, May 30th, 2013. Stocks post gains in the green here. We see the S&P up 0.4%, the Dow up just a fraction. NASDAQ though up 0.7% and a little more than that here on the Russell. So you had small caps and NASDAQ both leading the charge to the upside, with the banks confirming this, all up almost 0.9%, with the VIX dropping 2%, confirming today's bullish move. And gold is up 1.4%, silver up 1.24%. U.S. or the crude oil rather is up 0.43%. U.S. dollar down 0.66%. Trend yet again in bullish territory, so a lot of money flowing into upward traveling stocks. Volume is thick there. And taking a look at a 60-minute spider chart, wanted to show you a big symmetrical triangle that we're in right now. We're at a resistance point and we should start to drop. However, if we do pop, this could pop with some extreme explosive movement to the upside, or we could drop here for a few hours going into Friday, closing out the day and finding support before we bounce, or it could break down. So I'm going to go back to the S&P daily, and the S&P daily, you'll see we're finding support at this trend line. We have resistance here, we found support here, support. We're at this support level. So we have this little pinching type pattern taking place. Further draw another line here. There's the pattern, and that's the 60-minute chart that we're looking at, but this is on a larger time frame. So this little symmetrical triangle, watch for either a big breakdown or a breakout. You'll notice these upper shadows, these long upper shadows show bearish behavior, but you have these big lower shadows showing bullish behavior, and we're now in the apex. So we are looking for a major movement one direction or the other. Normally on Fridays we do not see heavy volume, so I'm not sure if we actually get it then, but I could see us dojing out, maybe getting something very small, or a big up move and down move, and we doji out with these big long shadows. So anything could happen here, but this could be a catalyst going in one direction or the other. Take a look here at gold. What's interesting with gold, and disclaimer here, I'm sitting in gold at this moment. I entered that down here, so I'm up $838 it looks like. Had a nice gap up today, stalling out at the falling 20-day moving average with a doji. So I tightened up a stop loss just underneath. This shows me any weakness here, I'm going to sell out of that, just take my money and run. But I like that we're above this resistance line. Things are looking strong, and silver showing a little bit of pop, but again 20-day moving average acting as some resistance. And take a look at Apple. Here, what's nice about Apple is we're now above the 61.8 pop and the 20 and the 100-day moving average. So I'm going to get rid of this. This isn't too bad. This is no longer a bear flag because it's gone and got to close above the 61.8. Doesn't mean it still is not going to pull back, but if it does, I think we'll have more of a triangle. If I show you a trend line, I would go from here to here. Even though this trend line does not look correct to you guys, it is the most correct trend line you'll ever see. So here's the one of the things you'll see, that when you have a big run and a drop and you can't get off the floor, that's really bearish. Even though it's technically not a bear flag, you could still get a nice little drop here. So be watching for that. And we'll take a look at Facebook. Had a nice pop today, gap up pop. So if you'll notice, this is a little more obscure, and I want you to pay attention here because I think Facebook has put in a low. And I did not enter this today, and I probably should have, but this is called an abandoned baby trend reversal pattern. So this candlestick reversal pattern is an abandoned baby because we have two open windows. That means we could go all the way through this without touching anything. These are highly bullish, and that's why you see a little bump in volume here. So I think that we've found a low, at least a short-term low here on Facebook. And we'll take a look at Google. Google's beautiful bull pullback, almost a little bearish flag, and I would say any trade, yeah, that looks hot. I would say any trade above the 20-day moving average, say 882 and some change, is a trade. On the bull side, if the markets decide to go bullish, there you have it. You get the best technical analysis right here. One thing that I would highly recommend to you Grok graduates out there, take the advanced mentorship in Vegas. Now listen, a lot of you guys need help. You're losing money in the markets. You're frustrated by it. No big deal. Listen, we will take care of you. If you qualify, I will be happy and honored to mentor you. We'll do it one-on-one. I've been doing this for 15 years, a long time. I run a very large trading club, 350 plus individuals part of that club. I've been published in many publications, trading publications. I'm followed by traders from 155 countries, and I will be in Vegas. Listen to what's next and know how to sign up.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.